Start the game again.
Hello, how are you doing today? Is your day good? Is it good?
It's alright.
Yeah, okay, better be. So yeah, I'm gonna be messing around here in Atlanta. And as you can see, we have a whole picture here. And why are you running? Okay, well, throw this damn rock.
Oh, more problems for a troubled
earthquake.
Yep,
We're having an earthquake.
Oh, yep, it's pretty good. So yeah, we're just gonna be chilling here and take some pictures, record some, and hopefully not get arrested because I just peed. Like over there, as you can see a little over there. So yeah, shh, don't tell anyone. And so yeah, don't tell anyone. If you do, I'm gonna make sure you subscribe and hit that face. Okay. Well, should I go in there? Okay, I'm gonna go in there, bro.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side.
Give me my goddamn milk back.
Cream? No, thank you. I take it black. Like my man.
Hey, I up it, then my heat go off.
No, God!
901 Shelby.
No! Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And also, subscribe to this channel if you're new. Please. That would be very useful. And also, hit my notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And also, comment down other things. And also, follow me on Instagram at angel.wassz. That will also be in the link description or just pop up right here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.